this takes us back onto the original big trail there, see? Oh, that's so cool, man. Yeah, I know, I got mud coming up and it's getting me right in the eye. No. Take your time. I guess now you hurt yourself. You're kind of taking a little bit more easy. Ah, good boy, man. Not. Yeah. Yeah, realizing, yeah, we're not invincible. My anime eyes. Oh, okay, watch. Sage, wait. Somebody's coming behind it. How's this one? How's this one like?
It's good.
Muddy.
A little bit, you'll be fine.
Not with street tires. I keep getting stuck everywhere.
Momentum.
Just go, eh?
You'll be good.
Awesome, guys. Take care.
Have a good day.
Anybody else behind you or what?
They're all in front of me.
Well, I don't know where they are then,
No,
so.
they went to the house.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. All right.
They probably were ahead of you guys.
Buggers.
There's no one else back there to my knowledge.
Okay, cool, dude. Take care. Yes. You don't want to do this no more? Oh man, there's two ways. I don't know which way. Okay. Wow, there are so many trails in there, dude. This is awesome. Oh my God, John, he needs to come here. This is like the Ganaraska. Yep. Yeah. Oh, look at that creek, man. Nice little creek there. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna go slow. I gotta get some air through my gotta go on the side. Yes, I'm not going anywhere. Oh, please stop yelling at me. What, do you want to get on my back? It's fine. I know. Yeah, it's kind of getting soupy wet, so yeah. Neither am I. Like, I'm trying to turn and I can't. What? Yeah. You want to go up front? Okay. Whew. Oh, for fuck's sake. 393,775. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect from you again for a sec. No, he's gotta be busy. Okay, not to worry. Yeah. Don't touch yours. Okay, yeah, okay. You wanna go up front or? Which way did we come? Oh, we came this way. That's why you sit right up front. Just want to go here for a second. Yep. Okay, let's go. What? Who said it had to be easy? Oh, that's fine. Alright. Nice, eh? Yeah, look at our tracks here. Street tracks and regular tracks. You go first. I can get some footage of you. There's only one way to go. Stay to your left all the time. There's no rush. There is no rush. You don't cut anybody off, right? So that's good. Yeah, stay to your right, eh? That's your right. Yeah, now then go to, yeah, keep going left now. There you go. This is where we met up with the guys. Kinda. No, it wasn't. But anyways, yeah, it's still the same thing. Oh. Yeah. We were coming down like a hill kind of thing, right? So, yeah. No problem. Straight through. You can see our tire tracks. Yeah, because that was another trail we were looking at there too, right? So. Poor guy. You look so beat, man. You alright? You okay? Alright. Whoever did that trail, man, big thank you so much, man. It was absolutely awesome. Well, that's why I kept it loose. This way, if you do go down, nothing gets broken. It just pivots. And that's what you're supposed to do on an off-road. Alrighty. Hey, you want some burrs? Burrs! That was fun. That is fun. Huh? Hi. Those are awesome, awesome, awesome trails, man. Oh, there's so much fun in there anyways. Oh yeah, that's so cool.